Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can reset your password on your YouTube account. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you make sure that you're connected to the internet, open up a web browser. Now, once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.youtube.com and hit enter. After the home page of YouTube opens up on your screen, on the top right corner of your screen, you'll see the sign in button. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the sign in button, you'll be guided to another page. Now in this page, you'll have to firstly fill in your email address and then click on next. Once you click on the next button, you'll be guided to another page where you'll have to fill in your password. Now in this page, click on the forgot password option. After you click on the forgot password option, two options will appear on your screen. Tap yes on your phone or tablet or get verification code on your mobile number. If you click on the first option, a message will be sent to your phone or tablet where you'll have to click on yes and then you'll be automatically logged in, or you will get a verification code on your mobile number. I hope this video helped you to reset your password on your YouTube account. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.